Welcome back, future toppers. No unnecessary theory, no wasted time, just the chemistry you need to score maximum marks. Let's get started. Look around. Thousands of students are studying 14 hours a day, reading every single line of NCERT, and yet they get stuck in 6 days. Why? Because they don't understand Pareto's rule, the 80 by 20 rule. In class 12th chemistry, 80% of your board exam marks came from just 20% of the syllabus. The CBSE board doesn't create surprises, they create pattern. If you are panic behind schedule or just want to guarantee 95 plus without drowning in books, stop everything. In this video, I'm giving you exact 15 high yield topics that will secure your 80% marks in record time. Grab a pen, open your index page, and tick these topics right now. Let's start with physical chemistry. You don't need to memorize long paragraph here. You need formulas, units and graph. Here are 5 most important topics. Topic number 1, Henry's law and Raoult's law. Focus heavily on the numerical application and graphical representations of ideal versus non-ideal solution. They love asking about positive and negative deviations. Topic 2, colligative properties and Van Hoff factor. Do not just learn the formulas for elevation of boiling point or osmotic pressure. 90% of the students lose marks because they forget to multiply it by Van Hoff factor. Don't be that student. Nernst equation. Write down, this is a guaranteed 3 to 5 marks numerical. Master how to calculate ESA. Topic 4, molar conductivity and Colruy's law. Simple formula and massive weightage. They will give you a direct numerical or ask you to state Colruy's law. Topic 5, integrated rate law and half-life. Specifically for the zero and first order reaction, you must know the derivation, graphs, how to solve T-half numericals, and that's all about the physical chemistry. Organic chemistry. Now the biggest nightmare for the student is organic chemistry. Stop trying to memorize all 500 pages. Focus only on these 5 core pillars. You will smash a section. Next topic, the big 5 name reaction. If you do nothing else, memorize these 5. Aldol condensation, Cannizzaro reaction, Remer-Dimon reaction, Williamson synthesis, and Hofmann-bromamide degradation. They will ask year after year. Nucleophilic substitution and electrophilic substitution. You will definitely get a question from SN1 and SN2. How to arrange a compound in order of reactivity. Remember, SN1 prefers tertiary carbocation and SN2 steric hindrance, hence primary carbocation. Mechanism of acid catalyzed hydration and dehydration. The CBSE board has a few favorite mechanisms. The conversion of ethanol to ethene is one they print almost every year. Chemical test to distinguish compound. How to distinguish aldehyde from a ketone. Tollens test, Fehling test, primary, secondary, tertiary amine test, Heinsberg test. This an easy 3 marks on paper. Acidity and basicity trend. This is the most important topic. Why paranitrophenol is more acidic than phenol. Why aliphatic amines more basic than aniline. Learn the inductive and resonance effect thoroughly. Section 3, inorganic chemistry. Finally, the scoring zone where you get 100% accuracy with pure strategy. Here are 5 most important topics. The D and F block reasoning question, like why transition elements shows a variable oxidation state, why they act as a good catalyst, what is lanthanide contraction. These are fixed conceptual question. Valence bond theory in coordination compound. You will give a complex and ask for its hybridization, geometry, magnetic behavior. Understand T2G and EG orbital splitting in octahedral and tetrahedral complexes, and how strong field versus weak field ligand change electron pairing. Know the difference between alpha and beta glucose, or what structures and what makes glucose a reducing sugar. Denaturation of protein and DNA RNA differences, a completely theoretical high scoring zone. Understand what happens to secondary and tertiary structures during denaturation. There you have it, the 15 topics that hold the key to your 80% marks. Your action plans for today. Open your NCERT or reference notes. Select just 2 of these topics and master them before you go to sleep. If you want a free PDF of formulas, named reaction of these specific 15 topics, then drop a comment below saying 18 by 20. And if we hit 1000 likes, I will pin the link in the description. Don't study harder, study smarter. Subscribe for the next strategy guide, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, toppers aren't born smarter, they simply stay consistent. Complete today's target, and I will see you in the next video.